My chorizo cheese dip is the perfect addition to your easy football food ideas. In a large skillet, cook the chorizo sausage over medium heat, breaking it up with a spoon as it cooks. Drain any excess grease. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic to the skillet and cook for an additional 3 to 4 minutes. Reduce the heat to low and add in diced tomatoes and green chilies. Stir until everything is well combined. Add in softened cream cheese and stir until it's melted. Stir in the cheddar cheese, chili powder, salt, and pepper. Allow everything to melt together until the dip is smooth. I love to top mine with cilantro and jalapenos. You can find more easy party food ideas on our website,